In this guide, I'll show you how to watch free movies and TV shows on your PS5. From the PS5 home screen, select the Media tab in the top left corner, then open All Apps. You can either use the search icon to find apps quickly or scroll through the available options. One of the best free streaming apps to check out is Tubi, which offers a huge collection of movies and TV shows. Simply select Download to install it on your PS5. If you're looking for free movies, TV series, and live TV channels, you should also try Pluto TV and Plex. Both provide a wide variety of entertainment content at no cost. Anime fans can enjoy free shows on Crunchyroll, making it another great option to install. Once you've downloaded your preferred apps, return to the Media tab. You'll see the apps you've installed listed there. Just launch any app, choose what you'd like to watch, and start enjoying free movies and TV shows on your PS5. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.